Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Gardening. This is Shanku and today it is going to be a mega vlog about all my plants because I don't have time right now. I am preparing for government exam, so stay with me. So this is the red spinach plant. You can see the growth is like 8 to 10 inch long, and the problem that I am facing is you can see they are actually started flowering. So the growth actually stopped. So this is the tomato plant, the first tomato plant that I have grown. So the plant was actually going to the bottom, to the roof, and it is quite hot, so the plant was actually drying up. So I planted the tub below to keep it support and it air from the roof. So you can see the tomatoes here, 1 2 3 4, lot of it. Okay, so the plant is healthy right now, tomato plant. This is the ripened tomato, you can see. Yes, and this is a spinach plant. You can see 8 to 10 inch long. These are healthy. The fertilizer is actually working and the watering schedule is 3 to 2 days gap. And this is my other tomato plant. As you can see, there are a lot of tomatoes. Yeah, you can see this. And this spinach plant is all there. The growth is right, and the red spinach is actually not that good. You can see there's a tomato. This is the whole plant, and this is the hibiscus plant. You can see the growth is right there. Everything is fine. Watering and fertilization is okay. There is a lot of sunlight. There is a lot of branch on this side, 3 and 4 branches from each branch, so it is like 13-15 branches will be there. After some time it will be flowering after 1 month, I believe. So this is the tomato plant, second tomato plant, spinach plant, red spinach plant. Growth is fine. And this is the spinach plant, this is tomato, this is the ripened tomato, and this is the red spinach plant. So everything is fine. The water is all okay, and the sunlight is okay, and watering is okay, and fertilizer I can show you. This is the fertilizer. On the top you can actually see the fungal outgrowth, and the bacterial solution is there. So it is very good for the soil because it breaks up all the organic material from the soil and from the other fertilizers. So it is very easily available for the plant. So I'll keep you in the next update. That's for it now. If you like this video or want to watch the previous video, go to my channel, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thank you.